I'm Jay.
And I'm Eric. We're graduate students at MIT Media Lab.
We have a dream that everyone is an inventor.
So we created Makey Makey to let you invent just by alligator clipping. Alligator clip stuff like bananas to your Makey Makey. When you touch the banana, your computer just thinks you're touching the keyboard. The front has arrow keys, spacebar, and mouse left click. When you're ready for more, flip the Makey Makey over and you've got more keyboard keys and support for the mouse. You can even use the board like an Arduino when you are ready. No programming, no breadboarding. You don't even have to install software. Just plug it in USB.
Sounds awesome, but how did you use that in a language arts classroom?
My allegory, which was about an ant persevering through bullying and all these different hardships trying to construct his own anthill. And what we had to do is basically make our allegory come alive through making almost like a stage, and then we would incorporate this thing called Makey Makey into it, where you take recordings of yourself speaking or anything else, and you make different characters and all sorts of things to, like I said before, make your story sort of come alive.
After 3 days of using it, her fur is the exact same shade as all the other rabbits.
We created different structures out of cardboard and then made it so that we could tap different things and then it would read different parts of our allegories.
The deer keeper, a tall and spindly man with a flat straw cap on his...
So I created like a whole kitchen plus a pantry, and it was really fun. I really loved it.
Well, that's cool, but did you learn any other skills about like problem solving or life skills?
When we came across something that we thought was going to work, but then ended up not working the way we wanted it to, and then we also had to like use each other to get ideas and inspiration to find the ways to get the result that we wanted.
Walking into it, I had no idea how to use like the coding program or anything with Makey Makey. If I couldn't figure out the solution on my own, I would like talk to peers and friends to kind of figure out what they had seen and what worked for them.
Problem solving, so just trying one way, and if that didn't work, trying a different way, and just being patient throughout all of it because it was time consuming and there were a lot of different pieces and parts to it, but in the end I just really enjoyed it.
Whoa, sounds awesome. Anything else you want to add?
I think that myself included, that the whole class like got to a point where we were happy.
Once I did figure out how to use the coding in the Makey Makey, like it was super easy to just set up and take down, which was not what I expected.
Well, yeah, I think it's kind of going back to that perseverance aspect that we talked about, because like doing these projects is not an easy task, and it's just something that you kind of pick up as you go, and that's a skill you need in life.
I learned that there's more than one way to do things, that this project, Mrs. Ward could have just told us to write an allegory and we could have just shared it with our class, but instead we like built whole fun structures and like got to learn coding and things, and so just in real life there's more than one way to, learn something new. I really loved doing the Makey Makey. It was a lot of fun.
Okay.